Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Adda. We have already discussed about factorization method of common factor. So in previous video, first part, this is the second part of factorization, introduction of factorization. Here we discuss factorization by regrouping terms. First part already discussed method of common factor. Here we discuss second method, factorization by regrouping terms. We have one example. This clarify. If we write any algebraic expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. You will notice that the first two terms have same common factor, means 2y and 2y, and second last two terms have a common factor is 3. But there is no single factor common of to all the terms, means सभी टर्म्स में कोई भी ऐसा फैक्टर नहीं है जो सभी में कॉमन हो. So we pair first two terms and last two terms. Here we use the method of common factorization in first two terms. First two terms is 2xy plus 2y. Here we see that the common factor of 2xy plus 2y, we can write 2xy in the form of prime factor 2 into x into y in first term, and second terms 2y, we can write 2 into y. Similarly, the common factor of these two terms 2y. In bracket left factor is x. Here we write 1 because we have already common 2y. Similarly, we can write last two terms means 3x plus 3. Here will be use method of common factor. We write 3x equals to 3 into x plus, and 3 write 1 into 3. Here the common 3 left part or left factor is x plus 1. If we combine both parts, this first part and second parts, then we can write 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 equals to, in first two terms, 2y x plus 1, and second part 3 x plus 1. We observe that now we have a new common factors. We observe that now we have a new common factor. The common factor is x plus 1 in both terms. First term means left x plus 1, and second terms here will be also x plus 1. Now combining these terms, x plus 1 is common. Then we get 2y plus 3. The expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3 is now in the form of a product of factor. Means 2xy plus 2x plus 3x plus 3 equals to the form of the product of factors. Here will be two factors of these four terms. First is x plus 1 and second is 2y plus 1. These factors are irreducible, means इससे छोटा या इससे reducible अब factors नहीं हो सकता है. So this is a common factor or regrouping factors, regrouping terms using method of common factors. In previous video, here we use and factorize the given terms or given algebraic expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. One more example for clarify the factorization by regrouping terms. If we write an algebraic expression is 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Check it, there is a common factor among all the terms. Here we see that y and y is common in first two terms, and here will common 3 and 3 also. So let's start. First two term we can write 6xy minus 4y. If we factor 6xy, then we get 6, we can write 2 into 3 into x into y minus 4, we can write 2 into 2 into y. So we see that 2 into y in the common of both terms, 2 and y in the common of both terms. So we take common 2y, left 3x minus 2. Clear? If we write second part regrouping 6 minus 9x. If we factor of 6, we can write 2 into 3. And similarly, we take factor of 9x, then we get 3 into 3 into x. We see that in both terms we have common 3, then we get 2 minus 3x. If we take common minus in both terms, then we write minus 3, then we get 3x minus 2. Here will be minus 3x, if we common minus 3, in minus 3x then it will be positive and 2 will be negative. So we combining both terms, both parts, 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x equals to, we can write 2y 3x minus 2 and minus 3x minus 2. Here we see that 3x minus 2 are common in both terms. You see that 3x minus 2 are common in both terms. So we take common 3x minus 2, then we get 2y minus 3. So the factor of 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x are the factor of 3x minus 2 and 2y minus 3.